People come to Mykonos to party, and we come to Mykonos for organic food. Welcome to Mykonos.
The very first farm-to-table restaurant in Greece sits far away from the noise of a typical Mykonos. Pharma symbolizes a profound respect for the island's roots and soul. Inside, you'll be guided through the charming estate, which begins with a 1-acre farm featuring a wide variety of vegetable and herb gardens. With every table directly facing a splendid sunset view, Pharma's seasonal menu alters daily according to what is readily available to the land without human pressure. We began with crispy baked bread paired with a rich tomato sauce, followed by chickpeas, a personal favorite, fried zucchinis, a total must in the Mediterranean, then a delightful fish was skillfully deboned right at our table. Every bite was tender yet juicy. It's what we call Greek goodness. Once desserts roll around, you simply can't miss its signature orange pie. Aren't you wishing to be here?
This is what happens when a bar gets you with ace of spades.